Hello everyone, this is Wani, I'm your CEO and founder of We Think Up, and for this video, what we're going to talk about is not to be scammed. There's a lot of scammers here in the internet, and of course, I really wanna have this video kasi parang multiple na tao na din ang nakausap ko at laging sinasabi nila, ay VA, ay freelancing, ay home base, ano yan, scam ka agad yan. Which is dahil na-scam sila. Scam sila before. And basically, sa kwento nung iba na nakausap ko is, nasa-scam sila dahil, kunwari, data entry. Yung mga captcha-captcha na hindi ko maintindihan kung ba't kailangan may data entry yun. Pero yung mga captcha-captcha na yan, usually that's a scam. Hindi ko lang alam, baka naman may ibang totoo pala yun. Pero usually, sa mga naririnig ko at sa mga nakakausap ko, usually scam. And kasi diba, kailangan mo magbayad ng paunang bayad. So, as long as medyo skeptical yung role and hindi talaga medyo parang it's too good to be true, pag-isipan nyo na. Pag-isipan nyo ng mabuti if that is a scam or not. Well, it's up to you guys if you wanna sugalan. Kasi if you watch my first video, sinugalan ko kasi I wanna learn. Pero it's up to you guys if you wanna also do the same thing. And then second, of course, the most number one rule ko talaga is walang maglalabas ng pera. Unless na lang na talagang right from the off-bat, in-explain nila na, hey, we have this course and then we are selling it for this amount of ganito and then these are the benefits. Then maybe that's possible. Or maybe there's a tool that they are selling. But if the description of what they're selling is, kailangan mong bilhin tong tool kasi ito yung gagamitin mo para makapag-data entry ka. That's a no. So, basically, ang kailangan mo doon is, hindi ka talaga dapat naglalabas ng pera. Especially kung ikaw ay nag-a-apply. Unless na lang talaga, binibentahan ka ng course o binibentahan ka ng tool. Pero kung ang hinahanap mo ay trabaho at ang pangako sa'yo ay trabaho pero bigla kang pinagbayad, that's a no. Definitely a no. And if the training, so may pinagkaiba din dun sa sinabi kong course. So, meron kasing mga talaga nagbebenta ng training at courses. At yun kasi yung product nila. And that's okay. Pero kung ang training nila is, ay, tuturuan ka namin mag ganito kasi ito ang gagawin sa kliyente. Medyo skeptical ng konti. Maaring may mga agency or may mga companies na hindi talaga paid ang training. Pero pag medyo skeptical talaga yung the way nila in-explain at it doesn't make sense, kailangan yung pag-isipan mabuti na wait lang, ayoko maglabas ng pera. Pero as much as possible, if it's about work and you're looking for a job and then ang promise nila is hiring you, pero magbayad ka muna, that's a no-no. Definitely, pag-isipan nyo mabuti, ano ka ganyan? Malaking red flag ka ganyan. Another one is if you have WhatsApp, if you have Viber. May mga usually nagte-text niya na parang affiliate marketing or meron mo yung magte-text ng data entry or may magte-text ng basta minsan nga may tumatawag pa kasi naranasan ko yun eh. May tumawag na naghahanap parang hindi ko maalala kung Arabo yun or American. Pero naghahanap parang sabi nila na for job yun. Pero hindi naman ako nag-a-apply. And then the way nila in-explain kakaiba din. Parang same din nung dun sa tinakal ko kanina. So, meron na silang another platform wherein they call you or they send you a message technically to be hired. Pero, ang dulo nun, magpapayarin ka pa din. So, katulad ng sinabi ko earlier, as long as hindi ka maglalabas ng pera, pero again, if it's their product at talagang course ang bibilin mo or yung tool nila ang bibilin mo, then that's fine. Pero kung ang promise nila is you are getting hired and wala naman sa utak mo na ba't ka bibilin kasi hindi naman, kunwari, tool, dahil yun ang gagamitin mo in order for you to do that data entry. Hindi ko naman yun magagamit in 2 years. Parang pag wala na ako sa inyo, bakit ko bibilin? Diba? Unless na lang kung yung tool na yun or yung course na yun, madadala mo yun in the future, then that's okay. So, doon lumalabas na, lalo na kapag may money involved, magtaka ka na. Ibig sabihin, malaki sa malaki, you are getting scammed. Usually, sa mga rules na ganyan is, hindi lahat kasi meron akong client data entry talaga. Pero karamihan ng data entry jobs, kasi yun yung pinakamadali, andun yung scam. So, better yet, kapag data entry, mag-isip-isip ka na. Kaya nga nagulat ako, nakakuha ako ng legit na client, dalawa yun. Nakakuha ako ng legit na client na data entry kasi usually talaga, di ba, ang dami ng tools for you to do the data entry nang hindi kailangan ng tao. Kaya nagulat din ako na nakakuha ka ng ganang klaseng client. Pero yun, usually yung mga rules na pinapasukan ng mga ganyang scammer, data entry, email, management, admin, usually any administrative. Ang masasabi ko lang, kayong mga scammer, buwisa talaga kayo kasi bibigyan nyo ng bad image yung industry to. But for you guys, especially yung iba kasi parang very desperate na makakuha ng ganitong klaseng trabaho. Na syempre, katulad nga ng mga nabanggit ko over the past video, na yung mga benefits nun. Kasi talaga naman maganda. Maganda kung sa maganda. Pero mas maganda kung hindi kayo basta scam. And it would be best talaga na una, make sure ano ang ino-offer pa talaga nitong kausap mo. At kailangan, do your own research. Research the company. Minsan nga, copy nyo lang yung mismong text nila kasi template yun eh. Pag ni-research nyo yan, makikita nyo, ay, ito yung template na ginagamit nila for scamming. So, do your own research. Huwag ka agad kayo magtiwala kasi napakadami na sa panahon ngayon, napakadami ng masamang tao, napakadami ng scammer, and as much as possible, gusto lang naman natin maging freelancer na kumikita ng pera sa loob ng bahay. Huwag na tayo magpa-scam. Ang hirap kaya kumita ng pera, bibigay nyo lang ng ganun-ganun lang sa ibang tao, di nyo naman kilala. Yun lang ang mabibigay kong payo about scammers. And again, guys, napakadaming scammers, especially in Facebook, even in online jobs. May mga scammers na din doon. I think even in Upwork, kasi parang 2 years ago, 3 years ago, naghahanap ako ng job. Ang daming scammers sa Upwork. So, instead, check the description bago kayo mag-send ng connects. Sayang. If, again, the post is too good to be true, usually, sorry sa mga taga-data entry. Again, may data entries din ako. Pero maraming job posting na data entries din, scam din. And as long as nag-offer sila ng may bayad, pero ang posting nila is for hire, basically, it's definitely a scam. So, again, that's it. Thank you so much for listening. Medyo, hindi nga siya value share siya, pero more on rants talaga to sa mga scammers na tinatarnish ang freelancing world. So, again, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, you may go into our free community. You can check the link under this description. You can also like and subscribe this YouTube channel and of course, the Facebook and TikTok in order for you to see and watch our value share videos, our free courses and trainings, and of course, maglalabas din kami ng mga small videos with our coaches and our VAs. So, let me know if you have any other questions or if you have anything that you want to watch na gusto ninyong matutunan sa freelancing, and then yun din ay content namin. So, feel free to suggest and you can just let us know in the community or drop it down here in the description. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you again soon. Bye!